We have beautiful, warm, 25 degrees Sunday in Puerto, partly cloudy, but that's good, otherwise it would be too hot. Let's see our beaches. We are meeting lovely people from Scotland. Scotland!
Yes, come on, Spanish!
Welcome to Puerto. Enjoy everything, okay?
I've ever seen in my whole life. Really amazing job.
Lovely to see you. Bye bye. Meet you.
Thank you so much.
Lago Martianes looks fully open. Vamos, chicos. Vamos. We are a little bit late for landing of parachutes, but it's really parachute day today. Vamos. Hola a todos. Playa Martianes today. Sundays are family days. Lots of families are always on beaches enjoying free day, and today is a special day. Today is San Juan Day. So San Juan night. Playa de San Telmo, high ocean. Thank you for watching to the end. We are spreading the beauty and positive vibes from Puerto La Cruz, Tenerife. You hopefully feel I love this place. If you want to support us, it's easy. Please join the club. You can see much more from my videos. Or there's PayPal for donations. So all the best. Let's greetings from Puerto and viva la música.